What's up? Man, my last cruise I hit 22, 3 in a row.
Really?
Yep, on Harmony. Big bucks, big bucks. All right. It's crazy. 22, 3 in a row, twice.
It can be $2 to end because it's a promo code. So she said anywhere from $2 to $100. So I'm just sitting at one single sheet of $2. She's like, wow. It's not 1 cent. Well, that one would be 2,000. I'll take that for 1 cent. I mean, the odds of that. It's good. Like never to come on with that. Oh, thank you. One of the instructions, the pin is your best month and your best day. Okay. All right, so it's about an animation and then you follow them.
That table, the middle table hit number 22. I was like, ah.
Should I head to that table?
No, I'm going to get my chips. We'll just have to pick which table is not crowded, not as crowded. We'll see what the previous, we'll watch 1 or 2 spins. I can keep this running as a live video, live casino walkthrough. Action at the cage. You know, the other method, Dave said, is to do that and just leave it on there like that and play. This way you hedges this, but the thing doesn't.
It's directly down.
Yeah, but it's at the table.
You'd have to be standing.
It's at the table. Yeah.
But if you're at the table sitting, it's down.
Yeah, but I always stand like this, so you'll be able to see everything.
You do stand. You know what? You should try some of that and see how it does when you're standing.
Not on this one, because we only got 1 bet. Yeah, it's good if I'm going to be playing.
Well, I would do it as an experiment.
Yeah,
just
I will.
To see how it does.
I will. I will. Good evening. I came to get my Freeplay. It's a whopping amount, but it's something.
$75.
Yeah.
Slots?
Nope. Chips. $5 chips.
Go there.
I don't know. How much they waste?
What is that?
There's a big hand thing going out.
Oh.
Quite a lot of money. Not 1,400.
Should be mine.
I'm gonna head over to the table.
Which? Okay, let me know which table. Which table?
The last 2, the middle one.
9 here, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to take number 7 through 21, one bullet. We get one hit, we take 175, we cash out.
$100 in Freeplay. That is every night at 10 p.m. That's why it is important to put your
We lose, we walk.
It's
worth a try.
When you are playing the table.
Excuse me.
Every night there will be a promotion happening here in the casino.
Barbara.
10 p.m. we have a night.
This table right here.
I was going to play on this table.
There's no one here.
Day 4 will be having a back of cash. Day 5 will be having $1 cash.
When you live this long?
December.
You need my card?
I don't know. Just put it down there.
Yeah, then I
good.
I think you'll come here.
All the cards at this moment, they have a minimum Freeplay in it, and we receive $2 up to 100. All the cards have minimum Freeplay in it, and we receive $2 up to 100.
All right. That's it. We got one chance. We got one chance. One bullet. We need 7 through 21. 7 through 21. Can we do it? Can we do it? We got it.
There it is.
There it is.
Nice one, nice one.
Nice. Now we're going to take the cash. We're going to put it in the 14, 15, 17, 18. No, don't touch. Sorry. Yeah. You put that corner.
I was going to point.
Yeah. Okay.
There's nobody on that other machine.
Oh, okay. All right. So take that and move it. That's it. Just move that promo chip to the corner, and that's it. All right. That's it. You can go. I'm sorry, what?
It would be nice if like like 1, 8, 17, 20.
Yeah. All right.
What's on that?
We need 14, 15, 17, or 18. We need 14, 15, 17, or 18. 18! Oh, really? Oh, okay. Color up. I thought that was in 18.
I want to go in that one spot.
Oh, I thought that was in 18. That would have been crazy luck. All right, so that's how you get 175. Yeah, that's fine. All right, we're cashing out. So we had 75 in free play, and we're now turning into 175 in cash. Yep.
How do you get the free play? Do you know?
I gambled on other cruises, and
they gave you free
they
play?
gave me free play.
Oh, okay.
So all I had was 75, turned it into 175.
Quick, easy money.
Easy. Easy money.
That's the way you do it.
That's it. Oh, okay. I'll just hang on to these for now. The lucky coin.
Going the wrong way.
Oh. That worked out like a charm, didn't it?
That was nice.
Uh-oh. Can I go to Funan Funu with your card?
Where's that?
Over there. Back wall.
I'll follow you.
Crowded. Can't get through here. Go around. Oh my God. Yeah, I can't even move in this place. Go around that way to the right. To the right. Yeah, let's go here. Are they down here? Here we go. This is the one.
It's really hot in here.
Yeah. Alright, I'm going to get my phone going. Should have brought my service agreement. Alright, we're on Adventure of the Seas. We're going to do Funan Funu. The grand is $10,000. We're going to start off with $1.76 and move up the chain. Let's see what happens. Let's get some volume going here. Here we go. Gotta warm up the machine. We need luck to arrive. $48. That's not bad. We got 200 in. Here we go. Luck has arrived. Here we go. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. Oh, only $72. Still good. Got the lucky coin. All right, so we're up $95. We need the firecrackers to get the progressive. Let's do a low bet, 88. All those foos. Looks promising. Need 3 of those.
Three of the gold coins.
Yep. Oh, we needed one more right there. Okay, nothing much there. Let's go up. Nice. $352 bets. on. Funan Funu. Major is $8.96. We get the progressive anytime now. $120. Wow. The Golden Dragons.
Can I send my big winner?
Sure. All right, let's go. Backup spins here. Oh, we needed one right there.
Yeah.
Need the progressive. Come on, let's get them 3 gongs going here.
My room number, and then he said he'd be right back. Luck has arrived.
352 bets. Yeah, we do need luck. Wake up, machine. Really? Oh, we needed a golden pig over there. That was close. Oh, don't do that. Need one right there. Yep, I'm gonna take that profit, $200 profit, and get out of here. Or no, $100 profit. It started with 200.
Maybe I'm gonna try this machine.
Which one?
Where I'm at.
That one?
This one. There's no firecrackers. Or maybe I'll jump on your machine.
Oh, you could. Okay, your card's in there.
Yeah.
So you got more points. I want 100 and then 175, so I'm up 275.